Hey there! Are you tired of feeling limited by your diet because of diabetes? Do you miss enjoying delicious food without worrying about your blood sugar levels? Well, we have good news for you. Today we're going to share 10 low-carb and low-sugar recipes that are perfect for diabetics. And the best part? They're quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Recipe 1. Low-carb cheesecake. Who says you can't enjoy a sweet treat every now and then? This cheesecake is made with almond flour and sweetened with stevia, making it a guilt-free indulgence. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make. Just mix all the ingredients together and bake in the oven for 30 minutes. Recipe 2. Grilled chicken breast with herbs. Looking for a protein-packed dish that won't raise your blood sugar levels? Look no further than this flavorful grilled chicken breast seasoned with herbs like rosemary and thyme. It's a great option for lunch or dinner, and pairs well with a side salad or vegetables. Recipe 3. Veggie stir-fry with cauliflower rice. Stir-fries are a great way to get your daily dose of veggies while keeping your carb intake low. Simply sauté your favorite vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, and mushrooms in a pan with some coconut oil and cauliflower rice, and serve as a main dish or side. Recipe 4. Low-carb pizza crust with fresh veggies. Missing pizza since being diagnosed with diabetes? You don't have to give up your favorite foods completely. Try our low-carb pizza crust made with almond flour and top it off with fresh veggies like tomatoes, spinach, and mushrooms. Bake in the oven until crispy and enjoy a slice or two without the guilt. Recipe 5. Summer salad with protein-packed tuna. Beat the heat with this refreshing summer salad packed with protein from tuna and healthy fats from avocado. Mix together greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion, and top with a drizzle of homemade vinaigrette dressing. Recipe 6. Breakfast skillet with scrambled eggs and spinach. Start your day right with this hearty breakfast skillet filled with scrambled eggs, spinach, and turkey bacon. It's a nutritious and satisfying meal that will keep you full until lunchtime. Recipe 7. Creamy tomato soup with zucchini noodles. Comfort food doesn't have to be off limits. Our creamy tomato soup is made with zucchini noodles instead of traditional pasta, making it a low-carb alternative that still hits the spot. Enjoy it as a starter or light lunch. Recipe 8. Low-carb chocolate mousse. Indulge in this rich and creamy chocolate mousse without the guilt. Made with dark chocolate, heavy cream, and a touch of sweetener, it's the perfect treat for any chocolate lover. And at only 5 g of carbs per serving, you can enjoy it without worrying about your blood sugar levels. Recipe 9. Meatballs with zucchini noodles. Meatballs are a classic comfort food, but traditional breadcrumbs can be high in carbs. That's why we use almond flour instead. Serve them with zucchini noodles for a low-carb and delicious meal that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. Recipe 10. Low-carb fruit tarts. Finally, a sweet treat that's both delicious and healthy. These fruit tarts are made with almond flour crust and topped with fresh berries, creating a beautiful and tasty dessert that's perfect for a special occasion or just a sweet treat any time of the day. And there you have it, 10 delicious low-carb and low-sugar recipes perfect for diabetics. With these recipes, you can enjoy a variety of tasty and healthy meals without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and delicious recipes, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.